Hey guys, in today's video we'll show you how to cut a shape in half or remove piece from shape in Adobe Illustrator. Create a shape, draw a shape that you want to cut or modify using the shape tool. Create a line, use the line tool to draw a straight line where you want to cut the accurate ensure the line inserts the shape. Now select both objects. Click and drag select both the shape and tile and line. Open Pathfinder. Go to Window in the top menu and choose Pathfinder. To open Pathfinder panel. Here choose Divide option. In the Pathfinder panel, it's typically the furthest icon to left. Now separate the piece. After clicking Divide, you will notice that shape is split along the line you created. Now use the Direct Selection tool, right-click, and select Ungroup. Now click on and move the piece part. Repeat if needed. You can use the method multiple times on different shapes or parts of the same shape. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.